Have you ever had this problem with your Hyundai Elantra where the hood is closed and properly latched, but it's still saying it's open and you cannot get this alert off of your display? So I got an oil change, and after I did, they shut my hood, I drove off. This is the second time this has happened. And as I'm driving off, I look down and it's saying my hood's open. My hood's not open. I pulled over, I checked it. I was gonna mention it to them before I left, but I didn't remember and I left anyway. So now I'll show you how to fix it. What's happening is there's a little latch, there's a little sensor that gets stuck down. You have to get that back up. If it's getting wedged in, try some WD-40 on it. But in my case, all I had to do was just tap it a few times and it popped up. So after popping your hood up, you're gonna put in your hood support, and it's this little silver part right there. That's your sensor. That's the thing that keeps getting stuck. And it's not reading the hood as being closed. So that's what you've got to work with. If yours keeps getting stuck, I was told that putting some WD-40 on it could stop it from happening every time. I don't have any on me right now, so I just knocked it loose a little bit and it came unstuck. So there it is, hood latch warning fixed. Now I just gotta put air in my tires, as you saw. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs in the description. I do try to keep those updated. If you need to leave me a question or comment, I try to answer those every day. Also, I will have the full playlist below in the description, the link for the playlist for this model Elantra. All the different various things that I've managed to do with this car, I'll have in that playlist, like changing air filters, things like that. If you think that can help you out, check out that playlist, bookmark it. Let me know if you want to know other things about this model, and then I'll do them and shoot videos on them so it can help you out. But thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next Elantra video.